So how do you take a prospect who stumbled on one of your messages and turn them into a raving fan? Why is it that some businesses seem to grow on autopilot whilst others are just stuck in neutral? The secret isn't about flashy ads or clever tricks. It's really about getting to know your customer better than they know themselves. I'm talking about really understanding what's going on in their heads, emotions they feel, the language they use, their motivations. You need to know what they are thinking at every stage of the journey. And when you get this right, you'll have more clients than you know what to do with. Take a look at this iconic scene from Pretty Woman.
Hi. Hello.
Do you remember me?
No, I'm sorry. I was in here yesterday. You wouldn't wait on me?
Oh,
You work on commission, right?
yes.
Big mistake. Big. Huge. I have to go shopping now.
Imagine walking into a store ready to drop some serious cash and they treat you like that. To market like a pro, think like a customer. So how can you think like a customer? So we're going to show you a tool that practically every big company uses to achieve massive business growth. And now it's filtered its way down and making a massive impact for small businesses too. It's called a customer journey map. Now you've probably heard how important it is to get product and market fit, and you're right. This is one of the best ways you can achieve that. It's like a cheat code for rapid growth. I'll give you some examples in just a moment. By the end of this short video, you will have a proven technique that you can apply immediately to your own business to unlock growth and increase profits, and without having to speculate on advertising or marketing campaigns or never-ending social media. Global businesses like Disney, Apple, Airbnb use it to increase profits by billions. But it's arguably even more powerful for small businesses because they can react and implement faster than these big global powerhouses. That's why even small companies are seeing a 25% increase in conversions. It's not magic, it's just getting to understand your customers better. By mapping the customer's journey, Disney identified pain points in their theme parks, such as waiting queues for rides and restaurants. So they introduced a wearable magic band device so guests can reserve rides and make purchases easily. This increased guest satisfaction and encouraged spending. The result was a 2.6 billion increase in revenue. A local fitness studio was struggling to convert their trial class attendees into regular members. So they mapped out the customer journey and they discovered that new customers often felt overwhelmed and unfamiliar by the new environment. They introduced a dedicated welcome program that included a personal introduction to the instructor. Conversion rates increased by 25%. I'm going to put some more examples on screen. Feel free to pause the video and check those out as well. Okay, so we know it works. So if you want to save time and get your customer journey map done super quickly, then just click the link in the description to download and start mapping with our free fill in the blank customer journey map. And you'll have your map completed in absolutely no time. There are 4 phases in every customer journey. The first 3 are important, I don't want to gloss over those, but it's the final phase that can almost infinitely grow your business when you get it right. Alex Hormozi calls customer journey maps, or click journey maps as he calls it, the secret weapon to maximizing conversions, and he's not wrong. Here's just a handful of the many benefits. Deep customer understanding. Number 2, identify pain points and opportunities. Number 3, enhance the customer experience. Number 4, increases conversion rates. Number 5, helps prioritize marketing efforts. Okay, so if you're still watching this, you know there are big benefits to be had. But let's be honest, maybe you're still thinking, I don't have time for this. I already know what my customers want. I get it. Running a business is hectic. There will never be enough time, never. But mapping out your customer's journey could save you not hours or days, but months, maybe even years. And maybe you do have a good sense of who your customers' needs are. But even the best businesses discover valuable insights when they go through this process. It's really about saving you time and propelling you and your business to the next level in the shortest time possible. That's why every big business uses it and why smart small businesses use it too. Okay, here we go. So now we're launching into the customer journey map itself. There's 4 phases. Phase 1, C. This is when your prospect first becomes aware of the problem. And it all begins with one of 5 possible trigger points. Habit. For example, buying your car insurance every year. Change. Maybe there's change in laws or regulations or procedures, something that you need to adhere to. Curiosity. Something you want to explore. For example, you go to dinner, a friend tells you about Bitcoin, you decide that's something you want to invest some time and effort into exploring. Opportunity. For example, you receive some inheritance, you decide you want to find some smart ways to invest it. And pain. Now, pain's a great trigger point in the sense that people are motivated to get away from pain. So from a business perspective, this is actually a good trigger point for us. And one of my clients is a dating coach, so I'm going to use them as an example here.
All my friends went out for dinner last night, but I didn't get an invite. I guess because they are all couples. Eating takeaways at home alone sucks.
Okay, so we know their trigger point. Now we think about this customer's goals. What is it they want to achieve? Then the emotions and their feelings. And then their tasks. What actions are they going to take? And what tasks are they going to be completing?
Learn how to date in this modern world. I'm sick and tired of all this bollocks. Men are a total waste of time. But I do want a partner to live with and explore my life with. Maybe I just need to learn how to date. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Sally recently hooked up. I wonder what dating apps she was using. Maybe I can buy her lunch and find out more. Try Google, find and read blogs. And also try YouTube, find and watch videos.
All right, now it's your turn. I recommend moving through this pretty quickly. Don't overthink it. You can always come back to it and expand on it later. Now we actually get to the fun bit, finding your growth opportunities. So for example, our dating coach might have written something like,
I should pick a few of our best blog articles and really improve them from an SEO point of view to get in front of more ideal prospects, and put a book meeting widget for a free 30-minute discovery session with me on every blog page, and as a pop-up on the homepage after 30 seconds.
Obviously, that's just one example. There could be hundreds, if not thousands of others, but you get the idea. So a quick question, and it's going to sound like a dumb question, but it's not quite as dumb as it initially sounds. How do you come up with a great business growth idea? The real trick is generating many ideas and then choosing the best one.
Simples.
So aim to uncover at least 5 different growth opportunities. So now it's your turn to play. Hit pause on the video, set a 3-minute timer on your phone and dive in. Now don't overthink this. Just get it done. Go ahead and pause the video now. So welcome back. What opportunities did you discover? Let me know in the comments if you're happy to share. Next, we repeat this same process, the same get growth process in the following 3 phases. Now you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. And I'm going to guide you through every step of the process. So phase 2, think. In phase 2, your prospect is already aware of a desire or need for a solution. So they're in the research phase, maybe exploring different options, maybe test driving potential solutions, reading reviews, comparing price points, and considering what is the best solution for them. Okay, so go through the same get growth process. You can pause the video to complete that right now. So phase 3 is called do. This is where your prospect or customer has finally made their purchase decision or financial commitment. And again, go through the same get growth process. So again, hit pause on the video and complete that now. Hey, do you have what it takes for rapid growth? Discover if you have the foundations necessary for rapid growth using our free online marketing audit. It's quick, it's easy, and you'll get your personalized growth score in under 5 minutes delivered straight to your inbox. So if you want to take your business to the next level, then click on the link in the description and start your audit today. Back to the video. And the final phase, phase 4, is care. At this stage, your customer has already made the purchase and is actively engaged in your service. They're forming their opinions on the experience and deciding whether they will continue with your service or even advocate for you to others in the future. This is crucial, of course, for long-term relationship retention and creating loyal customers who stick around and share their positive experiences, potentially leading to other customers. Go through the same Get Growth process. Again, hit pause on the video and complete that now. So if you haven't done so already, do download the map, work through these steps yourself. If you're working with a team, then have them complete the same exercise, but get them to do it individually. Then come together in a group environment and explore the opportunities that have come up. And here's our completed customer journey map for our data, shown on screen for your reference. I'll also include this in the download pack. Once you've completed your customer journey map, you'll have a list of exciting opportunities ready to fuel your business growth. Now choose the ideas that are most impactful and launch an asset sprint to create and implement them as quickly as possible. So if you want to learn more about how to run an asset sprint, you can check out this video here. So you already know that understanding your customer situation is crucial, and that customer journey maps are a powerful tool to unlock massive growth potential. Now remember at the start, we talked about how the key to growth is truly understanding your customer. Well, you are well on your way. Now, if you want to raise the bar and get even more powerful insights by discovering what their real journey is, then watch this video here, where you'll learn how to do all that and more, using connection with this video that you have just watched to learn even more powerful insights. And with our